Coming up on the right. Or you know these guys, they're anything but. The most mild-mannered guy. Well, Rocky's a little bit wacky. Everyone kind of wants to New Jersey. Should be seeing Chris in the left-hand lane any second now. And from Helton, Maryland, it's Drew Sweetman.
They're so nice. I might mess around.
Wow, pretty good burnout there, but I gotta tell you.
Oh, hold on. We got a girl on stage.
Almost great funny to our bodies making appearance again. We got arrows, we got citations. Mom with Trueno to 11 and 12. Definitely learning from that run, but still complete fun. Something like that.
But these guys really get it.
Yep. And I would say the whole field though. Dry house, first dry house. Gotta love that. Yeah, dry house was a big part of the show. I don't know if you remember, but it wasn't uncommon for these cars to do 3 burnouts. Then NHRA did the red, the balls, the
Don't act like little John ain't hot.
The Trueno family had the car, and now it's not their own.
So we see a theme here: insanity, totally insane, screaming.